welcome back to our channel. If y'all are coming over here from the last video, thank you for coming back. We're gonna get them enchiladas going. For those of y'all that are just tuning in, this is number 4 video of my hotel cooking and traveling hacks. Tonight for supper, for hotel cooking, I'm making enchiladas and some rice and some cream corn. So let's get started. Let me turn you around here and let's get going. I've already got my hamburger meat sauteing in the Instant Pot. I'm fixing to throw my onions in. Y'all, I can only turn my phone around so much. I'm fixing to get my onions thrown in. Let me stir my meat just a little bit. Y'all, I gotta be careful. I don't want to set the smoke alarm off in here, so we're gonna do this kind of quick. I got my onions chopped up, so I'm going to throw them in there. We're gonna get them sauteed a little bit. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're just watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, and I'm doing a little series right now of hotel cooking and traveling hacks. You can go back and catch the first video. So if you're just now seeing me for the first time, welcome. I'm that crazy lady. I'm the chit chatter. Okay. So right now, I hope you like this series. I hope you go back to the very beginning and you catch up and watch the previous videos. Anything that interests you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for tuning in. My subscribers, thank you for checking out this one. Thank you for coming back. There you go. I've made my introductions, okay? So let's get these enchiladas made. I'm starving to death. Have y'all noticed I'm always hungry? All right, we're going to saute those up. I got the kind, I've had some of y'all ask me, what do you do with the grease from your hamburger meat? Actually, I buy the least amount of, I buy the hamburger meat that's got the least amount of fat in it. This is like 80-20. Sometimes we like to get 97, 90, whatever. I get the meat that has the less fat in it, so there's not a lot of grease, okay? So I'm not dumping any grease or anything down the drain here in the hotel room. I've had people ask me that question. So, plus, we don't like all the fatty in our hamburger meat, and I don't like draining out all the hamburger meat. So we just purchase the meat that has the less fat in it. And that's the less grease you have to do. Alright. Over here, I have, let me see if I can turn you up just a little bit. I'm trying to get y'all in all the viewing area that I can. Alright. Over here, I have sprayed. I'm going to try. Y'all, we're going to learn tonight how to do this because I haven't made enchiladas in my air fryer before. I usually do it in our oven at home. If you're wondering why I'm in a hotel room and I'm doing this series, just catch the first video, okay? I'm going to try these in the Instant Pot. All I'm doing is I'm using the saute feature on my Instant Pot as a frying pan, and you can do that. And this is not hot, it's just down in there. It's on saute mode. So I'm just using this saute feature on the Instant Pot as a frying pan, and I'm browning up the hamburger meat and the onions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the tortilla with what we want inside it. And then I'm going to do individual ones since my air fryer is kind of small. I'm going to take a tortilla and fill it and then put it in here. I've already sprayed it so it doesn't stick. Some enchilada sauce in the bottom, just like you would if you was putting it in a casserole dish. And I'm going to have to cook these separately, and that's okay. I want to crisp them up. That sauce is good, y'all. Oh, that sauce is hot. Oh! Y'all, if you're just now seeing me, I am raw. I'm real. I keep it real. What you see is what you get, bloopers and all. Oh, y'all, that's hot. That'll put a hickey on your heart. Oh, goodness. I didn't cough on my food. I turned away from my food. Oh, that's hot, y'all. I'm real. I'm raw. I keep it real. Bloopers. Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to put the seasoned packet in there. I'm just going to use half a packet, y'all, because since we're in a hotel and it's just me and my husband, I'm having to downsize my cooking. I'm used to cooking for my children their families and us. I'm used to cooking for like anywhere from 6 to 8 people. So yeah, or more, sometimes 10. So now I'm having to learn how to downsize, okay? So I'm just going to use half of this packet. And I'll use the other half for another meal. There we go. I am going to add just a little bit of pepper because we like some pepper. If you want to know things are right, go back up to the video right before this one and look at how I've got our hotel room set up and how I just camp out and everything's at my disposal. Oh, y'all, that was pretty easy. I love the Instant Pot and the saute feature. Okay, let's see. Let's close this up. Let's put these scissors up. Okay, I'm going to find my tortillas somewhere. What do I do with them? I need to wash this. I cut my onions up. I need to wash that. I'll set that there. I didn't use this. I just washed it. I'm going to put that back up. So far, y'all, I have not set the alarm off in the hotel. Y'all, I got to tell y'all a story. If we were at home, I would probably be setting some of the alarms off because every once in a while, y'all, I get distracted when I'm cooking and I'm like, oh, that's going to brown a few minutes. I can go throw a load in the dryer, or a load in the washer. I get distracted, and then before you know it, my smoke alarm's going off in the house, and my children are like, Mama's in the kitchen. Really? Really? Yeah, yeah. Okay, here we go. So this is almost done browning. This is so easy, y'all. I don't know why I haven't been doing this before. Okay, let's see. I'm going to pour just a little bit more so it doesn't... I'm not licking it this time, y'all. Oh my goodness, that hot while ago. I'm going to wipe it on my towel. Alright, let's see. This is almost done. Oh, I need to fix up my station here. Hold on just a second. I need my tortillas. They're right here. I didn't have room on my table because these are them big golly whoppers. Boop, 10-inch. I have big guys, y'all. I got 2 big boys and a husband, and yeah, I could do the 8 ones, but they're like, Mom, this is just too small. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off because it's done and I don't want to burn it, so I'm going to cut that off. I'm missing something. I'm missing my cheese. Let's get the cheese out. Let's see, and I want to put in some more things inside our filling. So I want my roasted peppers. And I got onions. I'm going to put roasted peppers. And then I'm going to put olives and cheese on top. I got it now. Okay, I'm limited for space, y'all, so that's why I'm having a downsize. I hope y'all can see everything. Can you? Okay, I'm fixing to stop this meat from cooking, y'all. I'm going to have to pour it in another bowl before it just keeps on cooking. So give me a minute to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I just found a paper plate to put it on right now because that was the fastest thing I could grab. I've got cleaned up a little bit, got my Instant Pot in yonder, got some Dawn Power Wash sprayed in it, and I set it aside. So I'm going to start filling these. So we're going to take some of the meat. I know I got a little spoon. I could get a bigger spoon than this, but... Alright, let's see. I'm going to let this one be mine. Now, I'm going to let this one be my hubby's. I'm going to hook him up. So let's get some meat in there. These are just enchiladas. Nothing else is going in them, so you want to make sure you have enough. Y'all, you can put whatever you want to in your enchiladas. Y'all can do chicken chimichangas, you can do enchiladas, you can do whatever you want to do. It's your kitchen, do your thing. Alright, now, we'll get me a fork. I want to stick my fingers down in there because I really don't want all that on my fingers. Okay, so, we're going to, we love roasted peppers. I could have sauteed some peppers to go in there with it, but y'all, we done got hooked on this thing, these roasted peppers. So I'm going to hook him up with some peppers. I'm going to do mine the same way. Like I said, y'all put in there. Y'all can put any kind of vegetables, any kind of meat, whatever you want, okay? So I can lick the peppers. That's not so bad. All right, I'm going to fold his up. This is how you fold a good burrito, y'all. You start from the sides, okay? Then you go tuck it in a little bit. Then you just start rolling. I may have his a little too fat, y'all. That's all right. He's going to need it. There you go. Now we're going to place it over here. I am going to use this little contraption to fry it in because it fits down inside the air fryer, y'all. You got liquid in here for enchiladas, and I don't want that liquid all in the bottom of my air fryer, okay? I want the liquid on the enchilada sauce on the enchilada, or there wouldn't be enchiladas if the sauce ain't on it, okay? So, I got my liquid on. I'm going to put some liquid on the top. I like covering the whole thing, y'all. See, if I was to put that sauce in the air fryer, it would just go right down in the bottom of the air fryer, and I'm not doing that. All right, now we're going to top it with some cheese. I'm learning, y'all. This is the first time I've made enchiladas in here, so we're going to learn together, y'all, okay? I will probably serve it in this because this stuff is going to melt and it's going to be down in there. So I'm probably going to serve the enchilada on this and then put the corn and the rice on a small saucer to go beside it. We'll see. We'll see what I come up with. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. Let's see. Now I'm going to put this down inside my air fryer. See how it fits perfect? That little size. See how it fits perfect? Now we're going to heat this up till the tortilla gets just a little crisp and the sauce and the cheese gets melted real good. So I don't want the cheese to burn before the rest of it gets warmed up and crisped up. So I'm going to take the temperature down to like 350. And then minutes, I'm just going to go, let's go like 5 minutes first, and then we'll just learn and go from there. We'll see how much we need to do. All right? While that one's doing, I'm going to get mine going. Of course, I'm not going to stuff mine as much. If we have one left over, then somebody can have it for lunch tomorrow or breakfast in the morning. It doesn't matter. Just be careful how much you cook when you're in a hotel because, you know, like I said, you're only got so much space in your refrigerator, so you don't have a lot of room for leftovers. I'm going to leave him some for that way if he wants another one, I'll fix him another small one. Okay, let's see. I want some peppers. Oh, y'all, I love these things. We are hooked on these things. I put these in our egg bites. I put these on pizza. Oh, tortillas, enchiladas. I love these things. All right, I want some of them. Okay, now I'm going to save the olives to go on top when they come out of here. So, what am I missing? I'm not missing a thing. Okay, so I'm going to roll this up. That's all we want in them tonight, okay? So I'm going to roll mine up just the same way I did his. Mine's not as fat. That's okay. Tuck your corners in like that. Thusly, as my mama would say. Do it like thusly. Have y'all ever heard your mama say that? Do it like thusly. I love my mama, y'all. All right, let's see. All right, I'm going to get mine coated. All right, I'm not licking that again. Whew, that was hot, baby. All right, I'm going to get my cheese on there. I love cheese, y'all. I could have been a mouse. I love cheese. So we're going to hook it up with some cheese. All right, we got the cheese on top. So I can be cleaning some of this stuff up. Now, this is going to be left over. If he wants another one, I can make him another one. So I'm going to clean up a little bit. And I'm going to put these over here on top of my tortillas. I'll leave them out in case he wants another one. This, I'm going to put back down. I'm going to put this over here with their spices. I can use it for another meal. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the corn and the rice on another platter. And when he gets ready to eat his plate, he's checking on some things at the house right now. And while when he comes in and he's ready to eat, he can heat up this, and he won't be able to put this in the microwave, but I'll keep it in here to keep it warm for him. So I'm going to take a paper plate and I'm going to put them on there, and I'll set them over to the side, and I'm going to fix mine too. I don't know why I did his first, because he's not exactly here right now to eat it, but that's okay. I can reheat it for him. If he wants me to take it out and put it on a plate, I can do that. You know what? That may be what I do anyway. Let's do that. So I'm only messing up like one plate. I'm not throwing away plates, not wasting anything. So that's what we'll do. I'll plate it up, and then if it gets cold, he can heat it up when he comes back in. But on mine's already going to be hot, so I'm just going to have to heat these up, and then I'll put my enchilada on there. Alright, put that back in my handy dandy cabinet underneath. Just go back to the last video, y'all. I showed everything. Let's see. I kind of want to get a gander. Oh, y'all, look how bubbly. Look, don't touch. Look how bubbly, y'all. I get excited over the least little things. I love food, y'all. I get excited over food. Okay, let's see. I will plate his up, and then that needs to be washed. Don't put that back in the clean ones, okay? We got 2 more minutes. Let me clean up just a little bit, y'all, and I will bring y'all back, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to plate it up, and then he can have his when he comes in, and then I'll do mine, and then I'll show y'all how I'm going to plate it up. I'll be right back. Y'all, how gorgeous is that? It crisped up that cheese. This is the reason for the hot pads, so I can lay my hot stuff down on there. Okay, now this is that Uncle Ben's rice, and you only put it in there for 90 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and nuke this in the microwave, and then the only thing I'm gonna have to heat up is just like the corn, and I might heat it up in a separate bowl, that way everything's hot. Then I'll fix our plate. I'm just kind of doing it different than I said it was. I'll put that in a bowl, and I'll heat it up in something, and then I'll fix my plate, and I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna heat things up, okay? All right, y'all, look at this. Mine is finishing up in the air fryer. Look at this. I don't know if it's Food Network worthy or what. It might not be, but that's just my plate. That's his plate. He likes cream style corn more than whole kernel corn, so that's why I chose cream style corn. I can compromise. I can eat all corn. I love corn too. You can put jalapenos on top. You can put black olives. You can put anything you want to on top. I put the rice, the corn, and y'all, that come out so pretty and just went over there really quick, and the juices that was in the bottom, I just poured them on the top, and that's gonna be our supper for tonight, y'all. Enchiladas. So I hope y'all like this. Mine is finishing up. I took that corn and I just kind of put it in this little bitty bowl right here, so, and heated it up, so that way if there's anything leftovers, I'm only messing up one bowl, and whatever's left over, I just slap a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator. And somebody's got something for lunch tomorrow, or for breakfast if they want to eat it for breakfast. But y'all, we did it. We made enchiladas in the air fryer. Y'all, this kind of cooking is not just for hotel cooking. College kids going to college, okay? Air fryers, crock pots, instant pots, the little one-eye burners with some frying pans and a pot, y'all. These college kids can figure this stuff out, so can we. Microwave. Y'all, look up meals in a mug, microwave meals in a mug. It's a cake in a mug. Oh my gosh, y'all, you can cook so much in a mug, it ain't even funny. Look it up on Pinterest. Look it up on YouTube. College dorm room cooking. Microwave cooking. Y'all, there's so many things out there you can try. But I'm going to set his plate aside. I'm going to cover it up, set his plate aside. He'll eat it when he comes in. And then I'm fixing to chow down on mine. Y'all, we made enchiladas in the air fryer, and I didn't set the smoke alarms off to my children if they're watching. So, anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all like this. Y'all have a blessed day.